Friends, this is Krishna Kumar. In this video, I try to show the actual equipment of surveying and its detailing. I try to cover it. In that, we start with the compass. We have seen about two types of compass: surveyor compass and the prismatic compass. I am having both the type of compass with me. We will see one by one what are the difference. Already we have seen in the videos also. Now we try to see with little more detail and how to handle it in the field. Right? We start with the surveyor compass. So I hope you are able to see the two veins. Here you are able to see the one grid with thread. I hope you are able to see through this grid and to this these 2 points must be coincide with the ground station, right? So that when we hold on the ranging rod, all the three must be in the straight line. See, now this is the graduation circle of the compass and this is the needle. One side of the needle has a red mark which indicates the north direction, but here it is south. I try to rotate the compass whether the needle is getting change or not. You see, the needle position is in same, but we have to make it as north. Right? So the needle won't get changed. We have to make it north. Now the compass is exactly north oriented. This is the north. Wherever you move from the north to, see here the graduation, north, northwest, west, southwest, south. North, northwest, west, southwest, south, southeast, east, northeast. So here we are having the quadrant based. And one more thing you have to remember, see from north 10, 20, see it is north, northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, northwest. You are able to see the quadrant. See, from north to east it is 90 degree, so it is 0, 10, 20 up to 90. Similarly from south to east again it is 10, 20 to 90 degree. From here north to west again it is 90 degree. And from south again. This is the quadrantal based surveyor compass, and you are able to see two bubbles which is used for the leveling of the instrument. Right? Next, this is the prismatic compass. Why it is called prismatic, we will see. See, this is the objective vein. I hope you are able to see the grid with thread, right? So this is the objective vein. This thread, and this is the place where the prism is. This is called the lid of the prism, which has to be open. And this is the place where your readings get focused. I am going to rotate this prism to focus the reading. Right? This is the initial step on all the surveying. Right? Compass surveying. This lid is open. This groove, this thread, and your ranging rod must be get coincident for any measurement. Right? So here see, through this, I hope there is a circle. Through this only when you see, you are able to see the reading rightly. Otherwise, now you try to see, the readings are in inverted. I hope you see, this is 220, 225, but it looked like 550 something. So it is inverted. But the north, compared to the surveyor compass, the graduation circle and the north are combinedly attached. They are freely floating. But in the surveyor compass, the gratings are fixed, but the needle of the north alone get floating. right? Based on that, we have to rotate the graduation. Here, automatically, based on the north, it will get fixed, but when you rotate the compass, it won't change, right? Through the prism, we have to see the thread where the reading get coincided. That is the reading, and I hope you are able to see the least count of that. Already we have explained in the theoretical video how the graduation for the compass will be, and you hope understood it is the 30 minutes least count. Each small gratings is 30 minutes. I hope you understood. Right. Now you are get focused on the prism, and through the prism you are I hope you are seeing gratings and the reading. I hope nearly 30 degree you are seeing, and the grid of the line coincide with the reading of the compass. Then you have to assure that is my reading. This groove, this grid, and the ranging rod where you are focusing, right? And this is the setup to be made for using the compass. Tripod, compass. Here see, this has to be holded tightly and this has to be unloosened or for tightening. This is the tripod for the compass setup. This is the ball and socket arrangement. Inside this there is a ball, and this can be unloosened when we emergency required only. Otherwise it should not be touched. This can be rotated in all the direction. So for balancing our compass, this attachment is provided, that is called the ball and socket. While fitting the compass, see there is a nut grids, and here also the grid. This has to be kept over exactly, and you have to hold the compass and you have to rotate the thing. You should not do like this. You have to use this to fit the
You need to rotate the ball and socket arrangement only, not the compass. So you need to hold the compass in position, and then you have to tighten the ball and socket arrangement in order to hold the compass in position.
Now we have fixed the compass, but now we have fitted the compass. See, but the wheel of the compass, that is the north oriented gauge, it is not in the proper level. Say, this can be rotated at whatever the level, but when it is not properly level, one end will be higher and one end will be lower. This has to be adjusted slowly. Slow movement only we have to make, such that it has to be balanced. When you rotate the compass, the north won't get changed. When it is not properly oriented, say like this or this way, wherever you rotate, the north also try to change. But when you level properly, the north will get fixed, and whenever you move or rotate the compass, it won't change, and it will come back to the original position. Right? Thank you, friends.